Today on Lone Star Grills, we're firing up El Patrón for some baby back ribs. With homemade hot honey and fresh jalapeno slices, combined with good, clean, low and slow smoke, this sweet heat recipe is sure to please. We'll get our ribs prepped in a second, but for starters, we need to get El Patrón all set up for today's cook. Our target temperatures for today are going to be 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll be cooking with indirect heat today, so we have our deflector plates in place, and we're going to light a small to medium-sized fire. We're using a mixture of oak and hickory today. Once you get your vents dialed in and El Patrón fully preheated to today's target temperature, it's time to head inside and prep these ribs. We'll be smoking 3 slabs of baby back ribs today, and we're going to start by removing the membrane. This will give you the most tender results, and it's real easy to do. Just use something with a flat edge, like a butter knife, gently slide that underneath the membrane, then use a paper towel for some traction, and with any luck, you'll be able to pull the whole thing off very easily. Pat the ribs dry on both sides using a paper towel and give this a generous coating on both sides of our LSG Texas Bold. This has great sweet and savory notes and will also give these ribs some amazing color. And with all the prep work done, it's time to get these out onto El Patrón. Be sure to leave some space in between for smoke to travel, then close the lid and begin cooking. Time to make our hot honey. Start with 16 ounces of honey in a small pot. Add 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Stir this well over medium heat for just a few minutes until you see bubbling. Then turn off the heat, allow it to cool slightly, and strain this into a jar. Then set it aside. Our ribs have been on between 3 and 4 hours, and you can tell the bark is set. When you touch it, it doesn't move. It's now time to get these ribs into some foil boats, cover them generously with our hot honey, and place some fresh jalapeno slices. This is some amazing sweet heat flavor, and that honey will serve as glue for the jalapenos to stick. Now just get these right back onto El Patrón and let them go for a couple hours or until they probe tender, usually just under or just over the 200-degree mark. Then you can remove them from El Patrón, and after a short rest, serve them up and enjoy. You're going to love the sweet heat flavors combined with these tender and juicy results. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.